Hello and namaste to everyone. Welcome to Hamal's kitchen. I hope everyone is doing great out there. Today I'm making noodle soup, which is perfect meal to have during winter time. Let's get started with the cooking process. Heat the oil on pan. Once oil becomes to heat, then add some chopped ginger garlic. Fry for a half minute so the raw flavor goes away. Then add chopped onion. Fry until it becomes soft. I like my noodle spicy, so I'm adding some chili here, but if you don't like it spicy, skip this step. Saute for a half a minute. Now add whole beaten egg and cook until it's done. With this, I'm adding sliced mushroom, followed by salt to taste, turmeric powder, and saute until the mushroom becomes soft. As you can see, the mushroom has become soft. Now I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. Give it a quick mix. Then add coriander powder. Mix it well and cook until tomato becomes soft with lid on. As you can see, our tomato has become soft. At this stage, I'm adding Kashmiri chili powder for nice color. Mix it well. Time to add our noodles. Here I have used Rambam noodle. However, you can use any noodles that is available to you. Give it a quick mix. Now add water according to your preference, along with noodle spices, which is in the noodle packet. Cover the lid and bring it to a boil. Here I'm adding some Szechuan pepper, which is turmeric, because it gives a nice flavor to the soup, which is optional. So if you don't have it, just skip this step. But try to use it and you will see the difference. After a few minutes of boiling, our noodle has fully cooked. Now time to garnish with chopped cilantro. Now our noodle soup is ready to be served. Try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family, friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.